Hi, we would like to invite you to watch this short video. The content is in the displayed screen. The purpose is to identify and then analyze some interlanguage elements. Elements found in a written samples activity applied to 6th grade children of a non-bilingual private school in order to have a better understanding on their difficulties to learn a foreign language. The analysis made took place according to the displayed agenda, taking advantage of Liliana's role as the English teacher of the mentioned grade. The agenda takes about 5 days to be closed to do the analysis.
This is the first sample we want to show in this presentation. We took only a couple of sentences that will be analyzed through this presentation. The sentences that are underlined in blue refer to interlanguage, and the ones in yellow have to do with interlanguage. Also, there are more than those. We didn't analyze them for the sake of time. This second sample is from Felipe. We took only one of his sentences to be analyzed because sometimes it is difficult to understand what he wants to communicate. He also seems to repeat the same structure over and over again. Angie's is our third sample. She has enough lexicon to build sentences, aspect that can be seen in her description of the cat. This paper allows us to analyze some sentence construction that she was able to make.
We could notice in the samples that interlingual construction is present, since all of them knew exactly what to do about the job. Additionally, students used a dictionary as a help showing the development of their own strategy. Students present some interferences from Spanish, their L1. In the samples, one of the students used the word black to mean white color, and also because of the closeness in sound to the Spanish word blanco. Both Nicolás and Angie presented the same interlingual lexical difficulties by using the adjective after the noun, as in it has a neck long or the ostrich has legs long. We can see how Juan Felipe and Angie fall into an interlingual difficulty when they showed in their respective samples their lack of understanding of the grammatical rules in the foreign language learning as described in the present diapositive. We'd like to point out that cognitive skills of students have been important in their foreign language learning process. They are using their prior knowledge. Specifically, we can see it in the use of pronoun it, which is used with confidence. This pronoun was learned in the prior grade.
Another interlanguage aspect that we analyzed was language transfer. It has to do with language constructions that the students can make when transferring rules from their native language to the second language. We can see how Nicolás was able to write a correct sentence because the grammar in Spanish is the same as in English. Nicolás wrote, "The ostrich is big," which corresponds to "El avestruz es grande," and Angie wrote, "It has ears," which means "tiene orejas." From these examples, it is clear that they transferred their prior knowledge and used it correctly in the second language. They both use grammar categories properly.
Our job was supported for the slide on the screen. We would like to thank Liceo Glover and its 6th grade students. Their job could provide valuable interlanguage elements to adjust teaching strategy. Thank you very much.